video I'm going to show you how to create a twisting half square knot. Today we are going to be working with the Nova Vita 12 recycled cotton cord from DMC. For this knot we are going to work with 4 cords, A, B, C and D. Cords A and D are the working cords and cords B and C are filler cords. To start the knot we are going to take cord A, place over the filler cords and take cord D over cord A. Place cord D behind the filler cords and out through the gap next to cord A. We then hold the filler cords while gently pulling the knot to the top. Pull firmly to secure. We then continue the same process, repeating the same knot, always using cord A over the filler cords, cord D over cord A, back behind the filler cords and out the loop next to cord A. Gently pull the knot up. You can now see that the cords are starting to twist and form shape. As a tip, you can now turn the cords round and use this side on the left as your cord A and this one as cord D and repeat the same process. Cord A over the filler cords, cord D over cord A, behind the filler cords and out the loop next to cord A, and continue repeating the process. Again, we've got another knot twist happening, so we just turn it around, use this one as cord A and this one as cord D and continue knotting.